Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you some additional highlights on some tickers I feel can add significant value to your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own investment research. Let's get started. So first off, ticker number one I wanted to share with you is Anova Pharmaceuticals. So why consider investing in this company, right? Well, this is a small cap company that is headquartered in Pennsylvania as well as in San Diego, where it is working on a wide range of DNA immunotherapy based vaccines, including the DNA vaccine for the COVID-19 pandemic. So we expect that Ampio Pharmaceuticals will likely be releasing news information that it will be starting up its phase 2 clinical trials, and we likely suspect that there will be external fundings in parallel with that information, as well as hearing information subsequently on the clinical trials happening in South Korea, as well as the approach for China in terms of use of the INO 4800. So this is looking promising for Anova Pharmaceuticals. Now the current share price, as you can see, is $16.94, and the share price ended at the end of the day Friday with a gain of 10%. So that is looking very promising, and we've learned that come September we should be hearing information about the company starting up its phase 2 clinical trial. So we expect that to be by next week. So let's hold on tight, and I firmly believe that the share price can hover up, possibly double or triple the current price range at this time. So we may expect a bull run with Anova Pharmaceuticals. Next up I wanted to share with you is a small cap biotech company called Arca Biopharma by the ticker ABIO. So currently the share price is at $4.49, and it also hovered up close to 10% gain at the end of Friday. Now, what is so unique about this company? Well, I like this company because I learned that this manufacturer had received clearance on its investigational new drug, the IND submission to the FDA regarding its drug product right now being evaluated for safety and efficacy. I believe it is in the phase 2 clinical trials at this time, so it's looking promising that it may have a product coming out soon for safety and efficacy, but we have to wait to see approval in the phase 3 to see whether there is that consistent trending with safety and efficacy up through the phase 3 with the larger patient pool population as well as unhealthy patients. Okay, so that's ABIO, and I do feel like the share price can definitely go up beyond the double-digit share price range. So as you can see here, back in May, the share price was $3. At one point, it hovered up to $19, and it's been trending all the way down, and going downward up to the $4 range. And to me, I think this is a great buying opportunity to park your money and wait for the increase. And as you can see, it's been hovering up since the low $4 since September 24th, about a week. It's been trending upward, and I do feel like the bull run will continue with ABIO. So let's not exclude this company at this time and continue to see it trend upward. Now, next up I wanted to share with you is another biotech company called Trevina by the ticker TRVN. So at the end of Friday, the share price had gone up about 4%. And to me, just looking at this company as a return on investment in terms of parking your money and letting it grow, I feel like it can continue to grow here. Looking at the trending back in early September, the share price was back at $1.74, and currently it's gone up to $2.72. The question is, can it still bull run up? I firmly believe that it can. And let's look at a 5-year trend chart here. So back in 2015, the share price was about $12. It's been trending down. 2017 it was at $7, and it's been going all the way down, and just recently it's been trending upward. And this company that's based out in Pennsylvania with an employee size of 24. I mean, they're working on also a COVID-19 related product, working with the Imperial College of London on the TRV 027 on COVID-19 patients, as well as working on other various drug products such as acute migraine that they're working on. For example, the TRV 734. So this is looking promising. Just knowing that the analyst target price as well. Currently, it's set at 283, but the average price target is at 525. So that just tells you that it's quite undervalued at this time. Now, next up, I wanted to share with you is ticker AMPE by the company Ampio Pharmaceuticals. So what is so unique about this company, right? So let's look at a 6-month trend chart. So back in week 3 of September, the share price was hovering at $1, and about a week later, it dropped to about 84 cents, and it's been going back up to 95 cents. Now, end of Friday, the share price had gone up close to 13% in gain, so that looks very good for this company here. And why should you consider looking into this company, right? Well, to me, this company based out in Colorado with an employee size of 23, where they're working on treatment medication for osteoarthritis. That is such a big high demand sector arena, especially for like knee surgery and all that with sports. And I feel like Ampio Pharmaceuticals will likely be a big time competitor to all other companies that are in the similar sector, and this company can take market share with its advantage in its product characteristics. And to me, I feel like the current share price can continue to bull run up. Let's go out into a zoomed out view. So back in 2018, about 2 years ago, the share price was hovering at close to $3, and 2017 it was $4. Now it's in the less than the whole dollar value, and the question is, can it break through the whole dollar value? And if it does, what whole dollar value would it end years from now, and how much positive proceeds would you gain if you were to park your money in a company like AMPE at this time? Now, next up I wanted to share with you is by the company Vir Biotechnology by the ticker VIR. So this company is based out in South San Francisco, where they're working on a wide range of different drug product medications. And at the end of Friday, the share price had gone up 11%. And back in August, it was hovering at mid 50s, and it dropped all the way down to the low 28s. And to me, I feel like this is a great buying opportunity, because I know that this company has partnerships working with GSK, and we know GSK has the current influenza medication that is being distributed around at least like California. From what I know, I actually took a flu shot and I used GSK, so I know that the fact that VIR works with GSK, that just shows that this company is a well-known company that should not be ignored. And the fact that we see a dip here and capitalizing on the dips, buying on the discounts, and once it V-shapes up, then you gain so much on the positive proceeds. But I feel like this is a low-risk company right now to invest in, and you can potentially gain on positive proceeds if or when this company gains back on its prior resistance back in the August timeframe. Okay, so just to give you some highlights, this company is based out in South San Francisco with an employee size of less than 300 people, and they're working on the hepatitis B virus as well as tuberculosis and also the SARS-CoV-2, manufacturing antibodies for treatment of this pandemic. So this is great news, just knowing that VIR is working on a wide range of different products for the varying diseases that's in high demand at this time. Next up I wanted to share with you is Genprex by the ticker Gnpx. So at the end of Friday, this share price also jumped up by close to 9%, hovering at $3.37 per share. Now, as you can see, we're looking at a 6-month trend chart. We don't see too much action here, but let's go back 1 year here. So back in early February, the share price had gone up to $5, and it was previously hovering at like in the less than whole dollar value, 28 cents back in like January 2020, and now it's gone up $3.37. Why is this company going up? Because the demand for biotech is increasing, and that's why I feel this company is trending upward. And to me, I feel like this is a strong buy, and as you can see here, the price target is set at $667 while the current price is $337. So this is undervalued at this time for this Texas-based company. Although it does have a small employee size, I feel like if it does have the product that is supposed to do what it says it's supposed to do, then it will increase in demand once this becomes more known. And as you can see, just looking at the description here, so it's basically just cancer-related products intended for tumor cells. So this is Genprex by the ticker Gnpx. Now, last ticker I wanted to share with you is BOXL Corporation by the ticker BOXL. Now, why did I want to share this company with you? So just looking at the 5-day trend chart, it seemed like there was like no hope here at this time, right? When it was hovering at 145, and all of a sudden, September 25th, it shot up to like 160, and it's been trending all the way up to like close to 170 at this time. So is it going to stop here? I don't think so. And we know that there's been funding that's provided with BOXL Corporation, and knowing that there's countries out there where, let's say, for example, South Korea implementing all online school educations, that means there will be a sector within the United States. Not saying that all schools in the United States will go to online schooling, but there will be a piece of the pie where there is an increased demand for online schooling in the United States as well, because the United States hosts all countries with the population size. So what I would expect, there's an increased demand for companies that produce software education, and BOXL Corporation is known for that, and for that reason I feel like this is a great value investment opportunity. If we look at a 1-year trend chart here, the company was like less than $1 back in June, July, and it had gone up to like $3.67 back in week 2 of July, and it's been hovering down to like the $1.60. But to me, I feel like there may be a potential V-shape up, and those who park their money in companies like BOXL can potentially gain on like 2 to 5-fold gains. So that's all I wanted to share with you folks, and I hope that you find this video valuable, in that it can add value to your investment portfolio. But please be mindful that anytime when you do make an investment decision, please do your own research, okay? And just take my information as guidance. And I hope you all have a safe and wonderful weekend. And thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.